everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. I am so glad you could make it. Today we have my last unboxing for quite some time. If this is the first time you're ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we do have another unboxing. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, that I would ask you to consider click the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get it into the video. So yes, hello everyone. How are you doing today? I know you're probably thinking, what do you mean another unboxing? You just made that video. Like, you just did your last video where you said that you were like done with luxury for a while. Yes. However, this I already had. So if you saw my vlog, I had already posted this on the vlog. I did it first for the vlog first. So if you have not seen that, I will link it down below. But I still wanted to do a sit down unboxing and just show everybody else that has not seen the vlogs. But we have a Chanel unboxing. So yes, I picked this up from Nordstrom a few weeks ago because I have a little bit of a story time. So I have wanted this piece for a while, but it is very hard to get your hands on. Like, they don't really come back in stock new, and I have seen them online used multiple times, and I don't like most of them. They're just, you can tell they're old, you can tell that they've been used, they're dirty, but then also the price is like twice as expensive online because they're just so popular. They're just so hard to like get in stock, get it in your size, get it in the color that you want. It is just crazy. When I saw that this was available at my Nordstrom, my SA texted me about it and he was like, hey, we got it in one size, do you want to come try them on? And I was like, absolutely. So in my vlog I was talking about how my mom went to go get one size and brought them home to me so I could try them on. You can probably already tell what it is by this point, but 39 was way too small still, so she took them back, and then they had like somehow miraculously received a white pair in a 39 and a half. I could not believe it. So that's what we're going to be unboxing today. So if you can't already tell, they are indeed shoes. So this is from the 24P collection. Now I have no idea if I know these are from like different collections. Like, I know these came out like a while ago, but I think that they kind of redo them every season. But look, I got the camellia and everything with it. Now, my SA did not tie this ribbon because I did not get the ribbon and stuff with it initially. So I texted my SA and I was like, hey, would it be okay if I came by and grabbed a camellia and the ribbon just because I wanted the entire experience? So I did this ribbon myself. But he was really nice and he gave me the ribbon and the camellia and it was really good. He's really sweet. Here is of course what the box looks like. And if we open it up here, these were really popular, I think in like 2020 or 2021. These were like super duper popular, but they're still very popular. Like, oh shit. So you've got not one dust bag, but two dust bags, and you do have a couple of extra pairs of laces as well. So they are sneakers. I think you're supposed to only get one pair of extra laces, but I got two, so I got an extra pair, which is really nice. So the reason why I decided to go ahead and get these, if you watched my vlog, again, you know that I was like, oh, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep them. What am I gonna do? I might return them, I don't know. But the reason why I went ahead and kept them is because I was thinking this is gonna be my last luxury purchase for a while, because the stuff that I said on my last video, the like luxury is not worth it to me anymore, is very still true. I loved these and I knew that I wanted them really bad. So I was just thinking, if this is gonna be my last thing, I'm just gonna go ahead and get this because I know that I want them, and Lord knows when the next time my size is gonna come back in stock. So here is the Chanel little thing. Here is the receipt. Oh, I got another receipt. Oh, this is the return receipt when mom returned the black one. So yeah, the first pair that I got to try on that mom went to go get for me was the black pair of these in the 39, and they were too small. So I did end up getting a 39 and a half. And then just the other little Chanel booklet. Are you kidding me? Oh my God, I am obsessed with these. Like, you don't even know. So here they are, and yes, I've already been wearing them. I've been wearing them for like a week at this point. These are the other sneaker style that I loved so much. If you know, I got my first pair of Chanel sneakers about a month ago when we did our taxes, and I was able to use the money we got back on taxes to buy those sneakers. So I got those and I loved them. They are, which like collection are they from? I know they're obviously a different style and I know they're from different collections, but I don't know what collection they're from. So the first pair that I got were actually newer. So I think these ones came out first because the first pair is from the 22C collection. Again, I think these came out in like 2020, 2021, something like that initially. So again, here's what they look like. Here is the left shoe. So if you can see, it has like the quilting at the bottom. I love that detail. And then here's what it looks like on the front. I just love the shape of this shoe. I love the silhouette. I just love how different this shoe is compared to the first pair that I unboxed. And then on this side, you can see it has the kind of metal Chanel logo in gold. And then on the back, it says Chanel across the back. And I love that detail. I do wish this was white though. Like, I know it's really hard to see. Maybe they do it just to make sure that it's not like too in your face, like too much. But if that was white on the back, oh my God, that would have been incredible because it's really hard to see that it says Chanel right there. But you know, I'm obsessed with these. And then here is the right shoe. There's no difference really, except the logo is on the right side. And then here is the left side, and then top and the back. I probably need to like spray this. Let me know in the comments if any of you guys have this same pair of sneakers. Let me know if you sprayed it with like Scotch Guard or something, because I did hear somebody saying that you probably should spray these shoes with something because part of them are fabric. So I think if you were to like, water probably wouldn't be a big deal. Like rain would be fine because the rain would dry, but like Lord forbid if you got like a coffee stain on these. I don't know why you're pouring coffee on your shoes, but like, let's just say you're eating and if something happens to like drip down and you get something on your shoe, like this part right here on the top is fabric. So you would have to be like so careful with not getting that dirty. And then also I've worn these a lot already and the bottoms still look amazing. So I don't know what the bottom is, like maybe it's like some kind of like indestructible rubber or something. These are very comfortable. I have worn them, like I said, quite a bit since I've got them, and my feet do not hurt like at all. I will say one thing is that these are really hard. I don't know how to explain that. They're so comfortable. Like they still like cushion my feet. They're not like hard on my feet. They're really comfy, but they're like hard. I don't know if it's because they're like very structured. They have like a platform or something in here, but like when you put your foot in here, you're like, oh, because it doesn't like sink down at all. I don't know how to explain it, but I'll tell you, it does not hurt my feet. It's still very comfy. I'm obsessed with these. I love them so much. I'm gonna be wearing these a ton during spring, summer, because I know a lot of people got these in the black as well. And I think the black is really nice, but the white for sure is my style. I was thinking, oh, maybe I could get the black ones because I already have a white pair, but no, I'm so glad that I waited for the white because they are my absolute favorites. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you have these sneakers. Let me know if you like them. If you don't like them, let me know how your wear and tear has been for sure. Let me know that kind of stuff. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, this will be the last unboxing that I'm gonna do for quite some time. So I just wanted to kind of go out with a bang. I think luxury just needs, I need to like take a step away from luxury for a little while. I'm still gonna be making videos. I'm still gonna be like reviewing my bags and comparing my bags. And I will still be doing unboxings here and there, especially of like mid-range brands like Coach, Tory Burch, what else? Polène. I'm not sure if Polène's worth it anymore. A lot of people have said Polène's not worth it anymore, but Songmon, I will still be doing like more mid-range unboxings because I still think the mid-range brands are doing so well right now, especially Coach. So I will be doing unboxings over there and comparing stuff and just kind of talking more about the more affordable side of luxury. But I will still, of course, be unboxing a few luxury pieces here and there as well. So the channel's not gonna go anywhere. Please don't worry about that. Again, I'll link the previous video down below so you can go watch it and hear all of my thoughts regarding that. But I hope that you enjoyed this video today. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!